Hi sweets, hope you're having a great week. We are nearing the weekend, and also I'm so happy because finally we are in spring. We started yesterday. Having that in mind, I'm gonna do my BOXYCHARM unboxing. I got it yesterday in the afternoon, and I thought that what a better opportunity to do this video using it. The theme of the box, it is La Vie en Rosé. When you open the box, you have the card that usually comes with, and the first item that I got, it is this bag. This is a BOXYCHARM Traincase. I'm not gonna open it, but at least the shade, it is nice, and it looks like it is a little spacey, and also that is well made. You have good terminations, so I think this would be a good acquisition. The next item that you can see, it is lashes, and then something from a cosmetic. And we're gonna start with the Wonder Beauty Lip Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. It contains a blend of skin loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extract. The Wonder Beauty Lip Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. I'm really afraid of peeling off masks because I haven't had a great experience with them, but I really like Wonder Beauty, so let's just give it a try. At least the packaging is nice, and the color is really different. It is kind of a rose gold. It says to apply an even layer. It had passed around 10 minutes or so, and it's already dried, and it has the tightness that comes with the drying. So now we'll try to peel it off. Skin feels really soft and smooth. Basically, I'm liking it just for the part that it doesn't hurt. Next item is It Cosmetic Confident in a Cream Transforming Moisturizer Super Cream. This is developed by plastic surgeons. Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizing, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restore visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, wrinkles, and improve the look of firmness. You will see the results instantly. This is the packaging, regular It Cosmetic packaging, and this is the cream. To the touch, it feels a little bit more thicker than regular moisturizers. That is a really good starting point. About the claim of reducing the appearance of pores, I will not vouch for that. In the moisturizing part, it does what it claims. Now for my third item, I'm gonna use the CoverFX Perfect Face Palette. This is how the palette looks in the inside. Also, I'm going to use for it this little set. This is the Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Two new Moda 2 pieces powder and soft glow kit. It's the ultimate dynamic duo. I'm gonna use the powder brush for my bronzer, contouring, blush. This is how the two brushes come. I'm gonna start with the powder brush. So far it is soft, it is packed a little bit densely because it is a powder brush, but regardless, I'm gonna use it for the parts that I'm missing of my complexion. I'm gonna use the contour shade, and I'm gonna use it for contouring and bronzing, and I'm going to apply it in the hollows of my cheek. Both products are performing really nice, really easy to blend, and the brush is helping a lot. And since I'm gonna use it for contouring and bronzer, I'm gonna apply it or drag it a little bit towards the side of my nose, in the sides of my forehead, the sides of my nose, and in my chin. I'm gonna use this brush again for the blush to apply it in the apples of my cheeks. It's a really nice shade, and it blends really easily into my complexion. I'm going to take from this highlighter a little bit. I'm going to apply it on top of my contouring just to brighten it up a little bit, make it kind of look like a shimmering bronzer. Now I'm gonna switch to the other brush and I'm gonna use it for my highlighting. I'm gonna take from the brightener and I'm going to apply it in the high point of my face, starting with my cheek, working it into my complexion in circular motion so it will help it blend a little bit on top of my eyebrows, initial part of my brush, in the flat area of my nose, and in my cupid's bow. And I have a finishing powder, which is this one. I'm gonna lightly dust it all over my complexion to give a little more radiance to my skin. Now I'm gonna go for eyebrows, and I have another product. This is from Iconic Eyebrow Cushion. It is the first time that I'm gonna try this type of a product. At least the packaging is really nice. And when you open it, you have a little mirror, you have a brush and a spoolie. The spoolie and the brush, they are joined. I'm gonna start with the lightest one. I'm gonna start in the initial part of my eyebrow. If you want to do feather strokes with this, you won't get it. Now I'm gonna use the really dark one to do my arch and to define the ending part of my eyebrow. And so far, I'm liking it because I don't have to push the product into my eyebrow like you would do with a pencil. Now I'm going to brush them to see if the product can be buff and move, and yes, it can be. To be honest, I'm really liking it. I have my eyebrows down and now I'm gonna go for my eyes, and I got this Morphe 15 shade Artistry palette. This is how she looks in the inside, at least the color story. I'm a little bit into it. I'm gonna go to this shade Vavaboon and I'm gonna apply it above my natural crease. I'm doing it in circular motions, and so far it had blended really easily. It has a little bit of a kickback in the pan, but it is a matte shade, so that it is to be expected. Now I'm gonna go with Cliche, and I'm going to start in my outer corner and applying it a little bit above my natural crease. I have hooded eyes. I have to work it above it, not on top of it, just to lift my eyes a little bit more. I'm going to take it to my bottom part, on top of my entire bottom lashes. Now I'm gonna blend everything together. I'm using a clean brush for it, just working my way in circular motions where the two colors meet to soften it, the transition between one shade and the other. I'm going to apply creativity with my ring finger, and I'm tapping it to my lid because I want a wash of this color. I don't want it to be too intense. For the rest of my lid, I'm gonna go for Unique, using my ring finger as well. I'm tapping it to my inner part of the lid. I'm gonna use this shade here named Custom to highlight my brow bone, or exactly the arch of my eyebrow. I'm gonna do a smudge liner, and I'm gonna use this shade named Scene really close to my lash line, and I didn't take it towards my inner corner. I just started in the ending part of my eye and I work it just to the middle of my lid. I'm going to apply it in my bottom lashes, just towards the middle of my bottom lashes. I'm gonna curl my lashes, apply mascara, and then I'm gonna apply the falsies that I have from my BOXYCHARM. These are the lashes that I got. This is from Lily Lashes, the limited edition lashes Fox Mink in the style Gaia. While my glue dries up a little bit, I'm gonna go to my other product. I got this Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love. This is in the shade Dune. I like the packaging. It's regular Becca's packaging, and it is a magnetic seal. The shade, I like it. And as always, I'm gonna start with my Cupid's bow. Now with the sides. One on lip, first the center, and now the sides. first I place the center. Now I secure the sides. And my last item is this from Adesse. This is the Adesse New York Organic Infused Age Defying Nail Treatment Essentials. I have already used this oil. It is amazingly good. I'm going to apply it in all my cuticles. So sweets, this is it. This is my entire Boxyluxe unboxing. I really like this month Boxyluxe. I have never tried Morphe. Now I can imagine why everybody is so, well, almost everybody, it is so infatuated with Morphe as a brand, or Morphe eyeshadow palettes. I really like the CoverFX Perfector face palette. This was really good. The It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream. This was really moisturizing and hydrating for my skin, so this one I liked it a lot. The Wonder Beauty Peel Off Mask. I'm not into peel off mask, but this one, so far, it is the best one that I have tried because it didn't hurt at all when I was trying to peel it off of my skin. And my skin was smooth, really soft, and it looked a lot more cleaner than when I started using it. The Moda Pro, this is one of my favorite brands, so every brush that I can get, I'm more than happy to get it. And these two were really good, soft, easy to work, easy to blend the products that I use them with. The Iconic Eyebrow Cushion, it was also really nice and different product. I like how my eyebrows look. The only downside to it is that the brush that it brought, the spoolie part is good, but the other end, the angle brush one, if you want to have natural hair stroke, that won't help you at all to achieve that. You will have to switch to another angle brush to get that technique done. But if you have thick eyebrows like mine, you can use what the palette brought and you will be done, and it would do a really good job. The Becca lipstick, I really like how it feels. The shade, I like it, but for the eye look that I went, I would needed a more colorful lipstick. But besides that point, I'm really liking how it feels, and it's really moisturizing as it says. The other thing was the lashes. I like the style of it. It was really easy to apply it. It has the clear lash band, so that helps a lot because I didn't went for a liner. I just apply a little bit of shadow just to the half of my mobile lid, so I didn't have to worry about making disappear my lash band. So overall, I really enjoy my Boxyluxe unboxing. This month, total value of my Boxyluxe $303 if I'm not mistaken, and I only paid around $50, so this is more than my money's worth, and I like my entire BOXYCHARM, so it is a steal. I hope you like it, sweets, the same way that I did, and if you did, press the like button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I really appreciate it. And if you want to get notified every time I upload a video, press the notifications bell, and I see you in the next one. Bye.